not just about us as individuals, it's about the entire community, that you getting immunized is going to protect you, but it's also going to protect everybody else too. And we're all in this together, especially with this pandemic going on. We all need to work together and get through it.
Vaccines save lives, and that's what we're here talking about, and that's what we're all about.
Vaccinating is something that's going to make it so your kids live long, healthy lives. I want everybody's kids to have the same chance.
I'm Heather Gagliano. I'm a nurse, I'm a mom, and I'm also the chair of the board of directors of the Idaho Immunization Coalition. The Idaho Immunization Coalition and Get Immunized Idaho are in collaboration and working together. Well, together we're able to really provide a great voice for people out there who want to promote vaccines, feel vaccines are important. The mission of the Idaho Immunization Coalition is to increase vaccine rates throughout Idaho, along with educate the public on the safety of immunizations. Immunizations and preventing illnesses are so important, and that's why the Idaho Immunization Coalition is important.
Hi, my name is Gina Coffin, and I live in Eagle, Idaho. I'm very passionate about it because there are a few people in my life who are very negative about vaccines and even tried to sway me that way when my kids were little and tried to give me some information in order for me to not vaccinate my kids. And it made me angry because when I did the research myself, I found that vaccines are very safe and effective. And there isn't anything to be afraid of. And it made me mad. And so now I really advocate for them because I want people to know the truth.
We're in this just to help people improve their lives, improve their health. Hi, my name is Brad Bigford. I'm a nurse practitioner and I own Table Rock Mobile Medicine. We are a house call service that services Boise and the Treasure Valley, and I go to people's homes for minor urgent care issues.
Well, I choose to be a part of the Idaho Immunization Coalition because I'm passionate about public health. I'm passionate about keeping my community healthy. I'm passionate about keeping my own kids and my own family healthy. And what better way to do that is by immunizing and keeping the immunization rates throughout Idaho up.
A lot of people don't know about Idaho. We're one of the only states where pharmacy techs are qualified and licensed to give shots. These students that are right here, that are learning right here, are going to be part of our critical capacity to handle the COVID virus going forward.
The Idaho Immunization Coalition really relies on volunteers, and volunteers are so important to making the different events happen.
I'm protected, and so are you.
When we do a vaccination clinic, that's important to have people volunteer and participate, whether that's giving shots in arms or providing information or education to patients.
Flu is pretty ubiquitous every year. The more people that are vaccinated, the less it spreads. And for some patients that can't get the flu vaccine, it really protects them because if everybody else is immunized, they're less likely to spread it to the people who can't get the vaccine.
Immunizations save lives. That's why I'm excited.
You know, I'm a proud mom. My kids who are in college, they call me and ask me where to get their flu shot. And I tell them to go, do you have a Walmart or a Walgreens or CVS nearby? Make an appointment and I'll help you pay for it. What I would say to someone who's on the fence, I would tell them to reach out to a doctor they trust. Find a pediatrician that you really trust, that you know is going to want the best for you and your kids, and talk to them. If you an advice nurse, a pediatric advice nurse. I got a lot of good information from my pediatric advice nurse when I was scared.
It's keeping our community healthy, and who doesn't want to keep yourself and the people around you healthy? And that's one of the biggest reasons why I'm part of it.
Vaccines save lives, and especially children's, so that's why we are such vaccine advocates, because vaccines help children more than any other demographic.
The Idaho Immunization Coalition has a lot of partners that we work with. That includes the public, legislators, different hospital organizations, to really make all of these great events and great things happen around Idaho.
I initially reached out to Get Immunized Idaho for help. So I was wanting to have a pro-vaccination booth talking about the benefits of vaccines and promoting them at an event, and I needed their help to get information. So they were nice enough to have a representative come. They had some tabletop signs, posters, informational handouts. Get Immunized Idaho is a great, trustworthy organization, as well as I feel like we are as well, but they are a great resource to use for anything related to vaccines.
I always hear people say, oh yeah, I got to get my flu shot. Now's the time to get your flu shot. So awareness of it is critical.
We are allowing both sides to talk, and we have actually helped bring a lot of on-the-fence people to a place where they are comfortable vaccinating. And we've actually kept track in one of the groups, and we have 400 parents who have now vaccinated their kids because they've gotten correct information from, we have doctors, immunologists, virologists in the group that help, in a gentle way, help give the information to these very scared parents.
I would ask that if you are passionate and excited about keeping your community healthy, you participate in the Idaho Immunization Coalition, whether that's volunteering, donating, or even following through with their calls to action.